Hey Frosty Clan, how's it going today? Thanks for joining the FrostySith channel. We are on the way, so this is day one vlog intro for our 2019 Wind River Ross Lake trip, and we're finally on the way. So stay tuned for what's happening next. Okay, we made it to Cabela's in Sidney, Nebraska. We're gonna run in here and get some bear spray because we just couldn't put our hands on the 4 canisters that we own. And then we'll be back in the vehicle and hopefully headed to Rollins this evening. Okay, bear spray is in hand, so okay, bear spray is in hand, so on to Rollins. Here we go. All right, good morning, gang. This is day 2 of travel, and we are leaving the Rollins Hampton Inn and headed to the trailhead for Glacier Trail. And so we've got some coffee and we've got an avocado chocolate chunk cookie, which was part of our meal plan for today that was in our backpack. So we're definitely gonna chunk these down and make some miles here. All right, we'll check in with you later. Okay, we are here at the Gannett Peak Trailhead. It is Monday, August the 26th, 2019. Just making our final pit stop at Privy here at the trailhead before we get going. You can probably see in the background that this is a busy parking lot today. There are a lot of people here, and this is the trailhead sign-in box is right there, trail log. So we're fixing to fire up all trails and just start our way up to Ross Lake. It is about 2:30 p.m. Mountain Time right now, and just beautiful weather. I think we've got a great forecast. See in the background some of that, and then look at that. Shoshone National Forest, the Fitzpatrick Wilderness, bear country. We've got our spray and we've got our bear bag tools. So I think we're ready to go. So we're gonna load up and haul out. And this is my hiking buddy.
Hello.
Probably need to look into the sun. There you go.
Hello.
So we're gonna get the pack on and get going. See you in a bit. Okay, so it's coming up on 3:45 Mountain Time, and we just made the decision here at the cutoff for Ross Lake or Lake Louise / Glacier Trail to head to Lake Louise. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, on toward Lake Louise. Okay, so we've made it into Camp 1, and we're on our way to Lake Louise. So let me just show you the spot that we found. It's a site that's been used before. So I did find one piece of trash, but we're gonna camp right there. And then we found a bear bag tree, a good one, down that way, over 100 feet away. There's some closer, but. So we're gonna get the tent up, and then we're probably gonna backtrack a little bit and go eat. And then we will hang our smellables and come back and enjoy camp time. Jen's all smiles. So stay tuned. Okay, so we finished up dinner. We got our trash bag over here, our dinner bag there, cook kit here, some water, and so we're gonna take a pit stop and then head back to the bear bags and get them hung. Okay, so we just got the bear bag hung. I probably should have had Jen film it. I don't know if you can tell, but that is way up there. I mean, that's 15 feet easy up in the air. So, time to go back to the tent and relax. Ready to relax, sweetie?
Yes.
All right, here we go. Okay, so wrapping up night 1, we are in the tent and cozy. Let's see, a couple of things. The day was great. We decided to head up Lake Louise Trail and make that the plan for this trek. We left the trailhead at 2:45. We got here at just before 5 p.m. Took our time getting here. Got a pretty good campsite, got a good bear hang, had a great dinner at the Tom Kha Gai soup And we also had with that bacon and chorizo and some Four Sigmatic cacao mix, and that was great. Let's see, came back and got settled in the tent, sent our inReach message, and right now it's about 7:45 p.m. Mountain Time, and everything's going good. So I think we're gonna shut down for the night, read the Kindle, that kind of thing, and hit it again in the morning. All right, see ya.